Good afternoon, everybody. It is 2:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, August 18th, 2025. So we just got the magnitude 3.2 in Iceland, Southern Peninsula, just 11 minutes ago. With 12 user reports.
Location Iceland region, class minor, magnitude 3.2, 11 minutes ago.
Alright, so we have Asteroid 2025 OS13, you guys. That caused at 3.2 in the Southern Peninsula of Iceland. So smash that like button, subscribe. If you're trying to donate to the channel, the donation links will be in the description box. Trying to raise donations for new equipment and a new bicycle, so I can keep some videos uploading for you guys. So smash that like button and share this video with friends, family, and coworkers, and I'll see you guys on the next update.
Location Central Turkey, class minor, magnitude 2.3, 6 minutes ago.